Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, you will know 3 most useful Excel tricks. Let's start. Stop starching manually cell size like this. To save your time, just right-click on Sheet, click on View Code, change General to Worksheet, and type here this code, cells.entirecolumn.autofit. Now close this window. To go back to Excel, let's see if we type. It will manage auto size accordingly text. Stop manually making proper name like this. Instead, use this proper formula. Type equal, then the name of formula, then select the text cell. Close bracket and press enter. Now copy the formula down. There we go. It is very easy. Stop highlight row manually like this. Instead, select all the data. Then go to Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Select Use a Formula. Then type this formula. Now, click on Format. Then go to Fill. Select the color which you like. Then click on OK. Now, right-click on the worksheet. Choose View Code. Change General to Worksheet. Then type this code. Now close this and go back to your Excel. So now, as you can see, active row highlight. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.